Yes, my lovely people, welcome to J Progress Entertainment, and I have a story for you tonight, my people, about a boy who book a wonderful American lady, and the woman got through all the trouble to bring this boy America, and the boy they yard one day and received that green card in the mail, and I tell you, say when the woman come from work and searching in the house and calling honey, he was nowhere to be found, me people. Make we jump into the story right now. People, you have this lady here from America who take up herself and go to Jamaica, me people. And when she got Jamaica, she end up in one of them nice fancy hotel there, me people. And one night she did a dump on the beach in the evening hours. I watch the sun go down on top of the ocean, me people. And here comes the security youth just strolling by down the beach doing his patrol. And see the lady by herself and enjoy her nice little pina colada drink, me people. Right? And him walk up to the lady and start talk to the lady. Right? And the lady get engrossed in the conversation. And him did a chat and chat and chat. Tell the woman how cow jump over the moon and dish run away with the spoon. And the lady laugh. Really? She believed everything what the boy say. Them did a talking for a long old time, me people. Right? The lady wear glasses and this boy go as far as tell the lady, you look like you have nice eyes. Take off the glasses, make me see your eyes. When the woman take off the glasses and he looking at the woman eye, him tell the woman how she have heaven in her eyes, me people. This woman you're so fool right now. This boy tell him, say, I think you even look nicer without your glasses. This a woman you take every word where this boy you say. Him just a say the right things at the right time. And them talk and talk, the woman did a whole glass in her hand. Right? When she ready to walk off now, she buck up in a big chair. By accident in her way. Poor woman don't know say, if you don't have on your glasses, you can't see well. Because you're coming from your country where you know say your eye them bad. How you make boy come tell you one piece of cock and bull story. How heaven in eyes and you look better without glass. How you go see when you walk? No wonder you lick up in a big chair. Right? Anyway, my people, things continue from there. Every evening, this woman, you go back down on the beach to see this boy. Him buck him up 2 more evening. The next evening, boy off from work. Right? Never feel so happy, this woman. You get to me, I say the next day she back down there again, buck up back the boy. Boy tell him how him want take him off a hotel property. Show him beautiful Jamaica because everything hide it from her in the hotel. And thing. Woman fall feet. Meet boy out the road. Boy carry her all over the place. One piece of sitting. And one of the best man she could ever buck up in her life to how this boy a treat her. You get to me, I say? Woman gone back America now. Them talk on phone and talk. Hours pan top of hours. Everywhere you see boy pan him job, him lean up all bout pan phone and sing thing. Him and woman a chat. Right? Woman fall for everything. In a no time, she back at Jamaica again. This time she no stay at that hotel. Him and boy rent different hotel go cool out for 2 weeks. Enjoy themselves for the best vacation she could have. No hawks, if tailpipe, no whistling on me people. And make me tell you, I don't know what this boy give this woman, but all I know, whatever I give her, she love it enough. For when she go away from that vacation, she came right back again for one another 2 weeks come see the boy. Right? She decide now that alright, he might go tell family now about the lovely guy where she meet in Jamaica. When she tell her family and show family picture and everything, family I say, listen, you got to be careful of some of these boys, this and that and ray. She no want to hear that. Them not tell her if we cut off the boy, no. Them just a tell her if you be careful. You understand me? I say, oh gosh, man. She's so in love, head over heels with this young man, yeah. In her mind is an angel fall from heaven, all him need are 2 wings. And him is a perfect angel. You hear me? I say, and people galang and galang. This woman yeah, do everything for this youth. Yeah. Him buy the youth car in a Jamaica. Any amount of money this boy you want, him get it. Him take care of the youth when me tell you say, him can't take care of him no more. And this boy you say the right things them at the right time and know exactly what he say. All along him down there. For about 3 to 4 years, the boy down there, you know, because the woman a little bit weary because she a get the warning, say you have to be careful, you know, feel him out, see what he's all about, because them change over time and ray. Woman a say, no man, after so long man, this boy a love me, him love down to the ground when me walk on. Anyway, woman decide say, no, when me going back down a married time, woman no waste no time, trip to Jamaica again, big fancy wedding. Married and know everything normal out. She no waste no time, paperwork. Next thing you know, boy they pan big old lion bird heading into America. When this boy reach America, my people, when him touch the soil of America, when this woman bring him home, trust me, and the best thing she could have ever do bringing this boy into America. Take it when me tell you. Because this was the perfect man. He come like a God send this boy strolling down the beach that evening. And he come like a God put this woman to go down go watch the sunset in the evening on the beach. Or else she would have missed the angel that was flying by, me people. Me people, for about 2 years the boy did in America, the best thing. Everything nice, everything sweet. Him cook for the woman, him clean. Me say, every day the woman thank God for send the boy in her life. Little did she know. Little did this woman know what was up this boy's sleeve, me I tell you, me people. Me people, the woman set up the boy in America. Because the woman in a good job and the woman says she have fix him up. Boy ending up go back to school. Get everything in order. The woman help him out. Get him little job and everything. Everything nice. Friend like him. Everything boy full of vibes and excitement. Everything sweet. Woman happy. 2 year run off. 2 year and mash now. One day the woman gonna work. And this boy did it. And I don't know who sent this postman to come deliver post. When the boy did it and the woman no did it. You see when the boy pick up the post and realize it. Green card coming at the post, me people. Him in a hurry to pack him bag. Hurry in a packing bag, and me people believe me when me tell you no. You see as soon as that green card they hit the mail and the boy pick it up, walk me to realize say I hit this. Bag pack and boy gone. You see when the woman come home from work, come out her car, go in a house. In no see boy in a living room, he start call honey. Not a honey dear. Not even the sound of a bees in the house, me people. Believe me when me tell you no. The boy gone, the woman can't believe. In the woman mind him just gone on the road or something. But the woman did it for a while now. And can't see this boy coming back. So the woman get curious now and say, me really check what's what. The woman start realizing certain things for the boy not in the house, me people. When the woman come to terms, this little boy a gone left her without she even knowing. The woman never know see the green card coming at the mail and the boy pick you up in a film and I see it say I hit this and the boy gone with the winds when me are telling me people. I'm bearing in mind, you know, from this boy land in America, all this woman do is try to elevate this boy, you know. Boy got school, boy get work, boy did it alright, but guess what? The boy never really love the woman from morning. The woman look alright, you know me people, but she's not Miss World. If you don't know what I mean. She's just not Miss World, but it is a wonderful woman. And the woman genuinely love the boy. Remember the boy there Jamaica for how much years and the woman a take care of him, you know. Because the woman have this thing in him and I wonder say, she don't really want to bring him so. As the relationship start mature, if you take him America and nothing go wrong. But through the amount of years you go run off, you know, she a say, yes man, him solid as a rock stone. Nothing can crack this a boy, yeah. Him this. Wrong move. Wrong move, Rally. If you go take that boy, put him on the iron bird and bring him in the country. The woman couldn't believe the woman call and call and call and call this boy phone. No answer. People, about 3 weeks after, the boy called the woman and start break down things to the woman. The woman need them turn jelly. The woman needs them turn jelly because the woman come like she is saying her mind, look how much warning me get. Me think me look for all of the red flag them already and them they gone and everything. The woman need turn jelly. The woman couldn't believe what this boy do. The same boy where she pour out everything pan in a Jamaica. The same boy where all in her mind say all this boy want is just 2 little wings. To be an angel to fly around the place around her. Because she think that she was blessed. All her relationship problems over. If it was nobody else, this is the one. Little did she know, all this boy wanted was him green card. And this boy a take himself and him get him green card and gone dwell with family members in a different state. Weeks after before the woman realized what really and truly happened to her. And me people listen to me. Enough man find a good woman, you know. A real woman, you know. But when them a run down, I don't have a clue. Imagine you find a woman. You know how much man find woman go foreign. And when them go foreign, them can't make no friend. Them the woman no one they have no friend. Them feed them friend have to be the woman friend. When them start work and the woman control the paycheck. Anywhere them a go at them and the woman. Them can't do nothing upon them own. Account have to join and the woman control everything. You understand me I say? Them fully under control. When them a woman ready, woman kick them out. Fling out them things through window and road, kick them out in the snow, call them in back, do all kind of sitting and boy get the chance for a wonderful woman. We check for him, love him, and everything. And this boy, all this boy could have think in her head. Say, I can't do nothing but wait and see that meal arrive with me green card in eye and gone left this woman. I don't like the woman when I treat him bad. But guess what? This is just one of them boy who ungrateful and I look for something else. And remember me tell you already, so you have some man. When them have them plan already. No matter how good the woman is or how nice the woman look, them want to go foreign go live for them type of life. But all them want is just for the woman bring them in the country. And once that meal come, if I ever them pick up that seat, say them green card be there. Done it done. Done it done. But make me tell someone something. God no sleep and nothing, you know. And you see from a woman take on a certain place and did that deal with you no good and really genuinely love you and not treat you no way. And sometimes you know I go through some sufferation and that this a woman that come change your life. And you repay good with bad. Remember me tell you say you no can't go dark. Anyway in America this a boy there, maybe things no catch up on him yet. Or God not ready to beat him yet. But remember me tell you youth. Remember me tell you, you can't repay good for bad. And you see karma? Karma is a bitch. When you like nobody cheat on them. Believe me when me tell you. 1J Progress Entertainment, me people. And remember good no man. Nobody now fi tell you no nothing. And you now fi ask nobody nothing, me people. You know me go to work already. And don't make them fool, you know. 1J Progress Entertainment and no other. And remember me people, 20K we are go by March and we know we can do it. You know see what we there? 16.6K. Right? So people, right now all we need is 3.4K. And we there at 20K for March and we know we can do it. 1J Progress Entertainment. And me JP family, me love you to me heart. Believe.